Did you know that a lot of wedding photographers make the most money after the wedding day? My name is Roy, I'm an international wedding photographer, and welcome to my wedding photography basics. In this video we will talk about how to deliver photos to your clients, but also how to make money with it. There are two main ways to deliver photos digitally: a file transfer or a gallery. There are more ways, like a NAS server, but that's a whole different story. A file transfer, like WeTransfer for instance, is pretty straightforward. You upload your files to WeTransfer, fill in the email address of your client, send the files to your client, and you're done. The pros are, it's very direct, it's very simple, and it's very easy to do. You upload your files and they're gone. But there are also big cons, because you don't have a presentation of your work and it's not really exciting for the wedding couple. The second option is a gallery. The gallery I use is Pic-Time. I upload my files to Pic-Time, create a gallery, send the files to my client, and I'm basically done. And the pros are, you get a very beautiful presentation, you get print options and a passive income option. More on that last one in a minute. But the cons are, there's more work to upload, and yes, another subscription, and we already have so much subscriptions as wedding photographers. I used to send my files with WeTransfer. It was very easy and very simple, but I was missing the connection with my client. Therefore, I started using a gallery like Pic-Time. This way I could bring the wedding to life. I could create chapters, and every chapter was a little story, like the first look, or the getting ready, or the ceremony. And this way the viewing of the photos and even videos became very immersive, and it was really fun to go through. In the beginning of the video I told you a lot of wedding photographers make money after the wedding day. We call that a passive income. A passive income means that you don't have to be active to make money with something. On the contrary to shooting a wedding, that is an active way to produce income. You're active in doing something to make your money. A passive income is, for instance, my wedding photography presets. It's a passive income, but I believe that a passive income should not only benefit you, but also your client. So when you buy my presets, you'll have a color grade made by a very experienced photographer that will make your photos stand out from the crowd. So if we translate this to a wedding photo gallery, there are two ways to make a passive income. The first is print sales. Pic-Time offers the option to directly use the photos to buy prints or even make wedding albums. You'll get a percentage of that without doing anything. And the second one, that's my favorite, is backup and worldwide access. You can offer your couple something very valuable and create a revenue stream. Lifetime access instead of a 30-day link. Give them options like a 1-year access or a 5-year access or a lifetime access with backup. This becomes like a digital vault for them. And you'll be amazed how many couples will gladly pay you to never worry about their photos or videos, about losing their wedding moments, or to share everything with guests. You're not only delivering images, you're delivering a peace of mind. And maybe the best thing is, they can access the gallery from anywhere on any device. And this is worth something. This is worth a lot for a client. So this way you're making money, but you're also giving something very valuable back. When I told Pic-Time I was planning to make a video about this subject, they got really excited and they decided they wanted to chip in. I'm not going to do a sales pitch and about the endless possibilities Pic-Time offers me. If you want me to make an in-depth video about Pic-Time, let me know in the comments. Choose what feels right for you. But if you want to use Pic-Time, they are giving a 3-month subscription. If you go to the link in the description, you get a 3-month access to Pic-Time. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the video, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'd love to see you next time. Ciao.